It's going, you feel me?
Hey, y'all boy better get on, man. Oak Park Burgers, man. I know what it is, man. Start looking at nigga seasoning, but you feel me? This how that shit really get down out here, man. Trust me. We gonna be. Y'all hear them 4-wheelers going off back there, nigga. Shit live around here, man. Real Oak Park Burger, man.
Yeah, put that good burger.
Know what I'm saying?
Whatever it called, bro. Body.
Be real, man. It's the dope one and Laura, but you gotta put the right amount. So y'all ain't gonna put the right amount on that. Shit never gonna work.
That feels look at
Never gonna work. You never gonna put the right amount. Cause your favorite rapper don't, so you don't never put the right amount. See, I used to start putting nigga on game. I try to put nigga on game, they don't wanna listen. That's your ass.
I'm gonna put the fries on the grill.
That's hard.
I'm gonna put the
fries on the grill. Who you been seeing putting fries on the grill now?
Bro.
Oh, you not supposed to cook fries. You been cook them in the oven. Watch what I do, nigga.
Grease.
I don't listen to Wendy Williams and the Oprah Show. And Ellen DeGeneres. I don't do that shit there. I'm not born and raised up there. Shout out to Jack Flynn for the you know, for the seasoned fries one time, for the one time.
Put the Lowry's on that thing.
For the one time. Gotta shout them out for that shit. I usually put salt on that shit like McDonald's, you feel me?
No, you gotta put that seasoning salt on that thing.
I'm gonna throw a little bit of this though. This my shit, dog. That mix. This that mix right here. It's that mix. Just vibe. Just vibe. That shit for the, when that bitch starts sizzling, I'ma flip the back. Look, that bitch getting hot now. So let that bitch sit. When that bitch starts, watch how I flip that hoe. Stay tuned, man. OPG shit.
Oak Park.
Hey, real talk, man. Another thing too, man. They don't got no. Hey, look, man. Times is real. Times is hard, and they don't got no time to buy cold every time I want to barbecue. That's why that shit electrical. Look, nice little knob. You can go from 1 to fucking 5. Ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit technology, man? Straight electrical, man.
I smell that seasoning.
Hold on, y'all hear that? Alright, get that be about 5 minutes. That be gonna be smoking back here, man. 12 shit, man. 12. Yeah. Man, you know what I'm saying? You gotta put the glove on, cause that should be popping, but moment of silence, home of the chopper gunners, man. Them boys should be going. That probably trouble. You see me getting them boys in the head. That's probably trouble right there. I probably even real Miami-Dade. Oh, that's Miami-Dade. That's Miami-Dade. Yeah, they going at somebody's ass. But back to these Oak Park burgers, nigga. Fuck all that shit. Go down there every day. Woo! These don't go down there every day, nigga. This where we at. This where we at with it. You know what I'm saying? Move them fries a little bit there. All this shit oil right now. All this shit popping. All this shit. But if you don't got no glove, don't do this at home. You ain't got no glove, boy. Your shit gonna bun your ass up, boy. That shit gonna bun your ass up, boy. You put them boys out. Look at this shit. Grease go all the way down right into the fucking socket. Boy, that shit. Flip that bit on the belly back. On the belly back ribs. But these them buggons. Boy, right there. I'm telling you, boy. Why can I take this bitch off the next time? I put that bitch back on the next time, boy. See my people, man. What you gotta do is let that bitch sizzle for a little bit. Then you put that. I got the weed and Hennessy on me. I got the Hennessy on me. Give me up that little hen dog on there. Bless him. Bless him. What my dogs in Seattle say. Bless. Castell, bless.
Ooh.
Castell, bless. Bless the fucking burgers. That's how you do an Oak Park burger, man. Shout out to Jack Flynn for the recipe. Press down. Time for the flip. You can just tell by what I said. You can tell by the press down, dog. I know my shit. It's an Oak Park burger, man. Woo! Look. They got equal rights around here. Equal, look. You're both black, nigga. Equal rights. And like all good things come to a fucking end. Old Park burger, man, with the hand.
And the fries got a little crisp to it.
And the fry got a crisp too. You know them shit's gonna be fun. All on the grill now. All on the grill, dog. All on the grill. They done now. It's time to get a taste of this. Ooh, look at that hand dog bubbling on top. Now it's time to get a taste. Time to get the bread, condiments, whatever y'all want to call them, get to work, nigga.
Show them sauces. Show them something. Well, you obviously the ketchup.
Going on here first. Big thing coming down. Ketchup, boom. It'll take a little minute to come out. Mambo. Now you drop the mambo on there. Look, you always go like this with the mambo. You always.
Subway type shit.
You always do that.
Subway.
That peep game.
What you gonna do with it? Yeah, I get. That's a perfect one.
Hey, real shit, bro. I need to sponsor a nigga, man. Capital City Mambo
For
sauce.
real,
I'm putting y'all niggas on, bro. Y'all got to show love, bro. Washington, D.C. style win. Nigga in Miami, man. Nigga in something in my house, you feel me? Old Port, Florida, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, nigga. Y'all got the mambo. Gee, I ain't gonna sit here, you know what I'm saying? Flawed job. Look, this how niggas doing it in Dade County. This how niggas eating y'all product in Dade County, man. Putting that shit on the drip on that top, nigga. God damn.
Yeah.
What? That's next level shit, dog. That's really all it is. That's all it is for the Old Park Day. You have been blessed. Like the Reverend would say, you have been blessed. You on it?
What's that? You on it?